What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. I hope you are enjoying my videos. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so you get all the notification and you don't miss any one of my videos. Today you're gonna see me in different video, different maybe look. As you see me before, like hair videos cutting all the time. Today our subject, our video is connected to hair but in a different way. So today my video is about my cosmetology time when I went to cosmetology school in Virginia. All those details, everything you need to know as a hairstylist, as a cosmetologist, as a people you're thinking to be a hairstylist and you want to go to cosmetology school, this video absolutely for you guys. So let's go and start this video together. So here we go guys, I'm just going to tell you in 2 minutes first about my experience and how I got involved with this hairstylist career. So I used to live in California State in San Francisco and I decided that I want to be a hairstylist. So I called some cosmetology school there in California and ridiculously, is it English ridiculously? I don't know. So the prices was absolutely ridiculous. So here we go. This is good English. I hope you are understanding my accent. So I said, no, this 20 grand, come on man, like I'm not gonna be a pilot, I'm going to be a hairstylist, you know what I mean? So I couldn't afford this and I said I have to find something cheaper. So I went to the internet and I started, checking other states, other places, and suddenly something pop up around, I believe 10 grand, 9,000, 10,000, something like this in Virginia. I said, oh my God, now I have to move from West Coast to East Coast? Like, come on, are you serious? So I said, Walid, if you want to do it, you have to go for it. You have to fight, you have to go for what you believe in. And I needed it. I wanted so badly to be a hairstylist. I said, you know what? I am going for it. My friend thought I'm crazy, like, come on, you're going to West Coast, from West Coast to East Coast just to be a hairstylist, and like you're gonna be an entire year there. I said, guys, I'm doing it. I left San Francisco and I went to Virginia. So, and here we go, our story start. Why I'm doing this video today? Because there is some stuff you have to know, guys. If you are going to cosmetology school, you have to know this stuff before you go. First thing, if you think you are going to cosmetology school and you will finish after 10 months or 1 year when you finish your 1500 hours or 1600 hours it's required, it's depend on your states how many hours required, but in Virginia 1500 hours you get your license. If you think you are going to be the most talented hairstylist on earth when you finish your cosmetology school, you are absolutely mistaken. The second thing, if you think cosmetology school they're gonna teach you lots, you are absolutely mistaken. If you think cosmetology school will show you those amazing haircuts, amazing colors, and your skills will pop up to the max, you are absolutely mistaken. So my video today to tell you what is going to happen with you when you go to cosmetology school. So when I went to cosmetology school in Virginia, people there absolutely fabulous. They were very friendly with me, very nice, very helpful. To be honest with you, they were awesome, very good, and very nice to me. Okay, but I didn't go to cosmetology school because I want people to be awesome with me and that's it. This is nice, but I'm here. I left California to Virginia to learn. So hey, I'm here to learn, okay? So when I started it, the first day, let me show you something. The first day, how to do a roller set. Roller set, people, like, are you kidding me? Who cares for roller set? Who does roller set anymore? Roller set, look, this is still from my cosmetology school time. I still have them. And this perm, like, come on, who does perm anymore? Grandma, she doesn't do perm anymore. So It's ridiculous, okay? I don't want that. So every single day, perm. How to section the hair, 9 sections, how to do perm, how to do roller set, how to do perm, how to do roller set. Like, I got tired with that. Like, come on, is there anything else we can do, guys, here? Cutting, forget about it. They won't let you cut hair before like 4 or 5 months. And I tell you, it's what they're gonna teach you there, how to trim hair. Like, oh, how to section 4 section and to do a little trim, like not even half an inch. Okay, maybe 6 months later they start teaching you how to do the 90-degree haircut so you get ready for your examination. So after 2 weeks I was like absolutely tired. I'm just like, oh come on, it's so boring. I'm here full time, 8 hours. I'm not gonna do perm the entire day. I'm here, I want to cut hair, I want to color. This is what I'm here for. But I understand it from my teacher that you have to do perm, you have to. I said, okay, it's part of my examination, I have to do it, it's okay, I will do it. So I was doing this the entire time. So what I did, I said, well, it's fed up. I'm fed up. Like, I'm going to cut hair by myself. So I went to the store, I bought a few mannequins, I bought a shear. Actually, they gave me shear, but it was sucks, so I bought another one. And I went home. I had my dining room, just one table, 4 chairs. I pushed them away to the kitchen. My dining room was empty, and was my studio. So here we go. I finish 8 hours in the school, and then I go home and I practice like 4 or 5 hours. How I did it on YouTube. I tell you something, guys. Don't think in cosmetology school you're gonna leave after 1 year and you know how to cut hair. I swear to God, you will leave. You have no idea how to cut hair. So I felt like I didn't get enough education for what I paid for. I was kind of disappointed a little bit, but they prepared me good just to pass my examination, to do those roller set and perm, how to do the 90-degree haircut. This is very important to learn it, guys. So this only is the basic, nothing else. So I was practicing by myself. Everything I did is a haircut, hair color. They're gonna teach you how to do retouch. You will do retouch the entire year, only retouch. You will do foil, you practice on conditioner. It's not real bleaching powder. So what I'm trying to tell you guys again, don't expect so much from cosmetology school. I know it's ridiculously, it is very expensive. It is very unreal, $10,000 still not little money, but we have to do it just to get our hours and get our license and leave. But believe me, even when you leave cosmetology school, in my opinion, you need another year experience before you feel enough confident, confident enough to really do everything with your client. The first year you will go to a salon and you feel like, oh my God, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do that, and you feel like you're still not really good, because in cosmetology school they won't teach you anything except the basic stuff just to pass your examination. You are not going to be amazing hair cutter, you are not going to be amazing colorist, you are not going to be any of this. So you have to teach your own self, like I did on YouTube. I have many pages I was following, professional guys, amazing talent, and I was following the entire time. And I go home, I play their videos 2-3 minutes, and then I do what they did, and then I play another 2 minutes, and I do the same till I finish the video and I finish the whole process and I get the same result. So I hope this video, guys, help you and your decision. If you are thinking you are going to cosmetology school and you want to be a hairstylist, don't expect so much from cosmetology school, because you are going to be very, very disappointed from the result you're gonna get. No one school, I believe, is gonna give you enough education for what you paying for. you're paying 20 grand or 10 grand or 15 grand, believe me, you won't get enough education. They will give you very little education just to pass your examination, and that's it. I was disappointed, but maybe for my experience, because I didn't get enough education, it gave me more motivation because I felt I want this career so bad, and I pushed my own self. Like, I went home and I was practicing every single day, like 5-6 hours after my school, and I was lucky enough because I was able to do it full time, and I had some saving, so I was able to do it full time. I know you guys, maybe you are out there, you're working, you cannot do it full time, and part time is gonna take even longer. This is gonna be a little bit harder for you guys when you do it part time, so it's gonna take even twice longer to learn. So for me, I was a little bit lucky because full time I go home and then I do 4 or 5 hours more in the house, and this is 8 hours in the school, 5 hours in the house. So I was like 15-16 hours a day, that consistent for the entire year. That's why when I finished, I was good about what I'm doing. But I tell you guys, there is some guys that started with me and finished with me, and we passed both the exam. I was good at what I'm doing, and they are barely know how to catch the shear because they didn't get any education from the school we've been. And I'm telling you, it's not only my school. I heard from many guys I know from their schools too, cosmetology school, different states, and we met, and they have the same issue. Like, they didn't learn so much from the cosmetology school. And what really disappointing, because you pay lots and lots and lots of money, thousands of dollars, okay, and you expect that you are going to be amazing talented person when you leave, and with too much skills, and you leave like I don't want to say day one, but you leave like you feel like, oh my god, I still don't know lots of things, you know what I mean? So I hope this video helped you about your decision. If you want to be a hairstylist, if you want to go to cosmetology school, this video, I hope it's helpful for you guys, and just help you about your future decision if you want to go to cosmetology school. So now you know what to expect and what to not expect. So if you liking my video, guys, again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notification. And you know, without you, I cannot continue in this journey. I need your support, I need your love, and I see you soon in a new video, a new idea, and ciao for now.